Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing tea in order to calm down your sore throat and cough. So in order to prepare this tea, you're going to require a cup of water, then I'm going to add a teaspoonful of ginger powder. You can also add fresh ginger pieces. Next I'm going to add cinnamon. Just a strand of cinnamon is enough. Cinnamon helps calm down your throat problems. Now let the mixture boil for good 2 minutes. After the mixture boils, just transfer it into a cup. Strain the mixture and transfer it into a cup. Now you will need a teaspoonful of honey. Honey has soothing properties. This is going to help to soothe down your redness in the throat. Ginger has antibacterial properties which fights the bacteria present in it. Now mix them well and drink it 2 to 3 times a day. This will really help calm down your throat problems and also reduce cough. If you like this recipe, just subscribe to my channel to stay updated and also like the video. Thanks and meet you in the next video.